So currently in production, or at least at the shooting stage, Venom is still far away as it still has the October 5th of 2018 release date. Now everything seems to be on track, at least as far as we understand. So before we get into the video, let me just quickly remind you guys to subscribe. And if you haven't yet, hit the notification bell to be notified the moment a new video goes up. So it should come as no surprise that many people, including myself, are all anticipating the release of the teaser trailer. Now, I myself have been talking to some of the people I talked to regarding the Spider-Man stuff more specifically, and they told me something quite interesting. Originally, Sony wanted the trailer, or at least the teaser trailer for Venom, to come out with Black Panther. But due to the delay that they had with actually starting the film, or at least the shooting of it, which was about a month, they've decided to delay it. And the film trailer will actually be attached to Avengers Infinity War. And what he told me is that Sony sees this as a bigger benefit to them, considering more people are going to go and watch Avengers Infinity War than they are Black Panther. Naturally, considering Avengers is literally expected to be the biggest movie of 2018. And also due to the sharing of the characters like Spider-Man and of course some MCU characters over to Sony's Spider-Man film, you could see how this natural synergy might be a good position for Venom to be able to get the teaser trailer out there and then build up the anticipation for probably San Diego Comic-Con, where they will come out and release the full-on trailer and more things in regards to the film. Now, of course, things could change at any moment. We don't really know, and I think pretty much every studio is going to want to attach their trailer to Avengers Infinity War because it just makes sense. You know, it's going to be literally the biggest film of the year, but it would stand to kind of at least reason with me that Venom would be one that's picked and kind of the one that gets a little favoritism, if that makes sense to you guys, because of that whole Sony relationship with Marvel. Just because of that. I guess we're just going to have to wait and see, but it looks like the trailer is coming with us, I guess, sooner rather than later.